Hey, what's up, guys? I'm doing this video because I bought this off-brand 40-volt battery as a replacement for my Ryobi 40-volt battery. And I was skeptical that it was actually going to work for my lawnmower. So I want to show you that it does fit in place like it should, and it does operate the lawnmower with no problems. Part of the reason I was skeptical is because the price is so much better than buying the replacement brand or name brand one. So I went ahead and gave it a shot anyway, and I'm happy I did. So anyway, take a look here at lock into place. Fits just like it should. Cover fits over it perfect. Turn it around. Just pull my handle down. So as you can see, it fits. It works perfectly. I'm super happy with it. I definitely would recommend going this route as of right now over spending all of the extra money to get the name brand one. So super happy with this one.